Hello my dear student, welcome to KK Chauhan Vision. Today I am here with a very interesting question. That question is human eye. Okay, let's start. Question is by drawing a clear label diagram of internal structure of human eye, explain the structure of eye. Let's start. Structure of human eye. Human eye is a very sensitive and valuable sense organ. We can't see without eye. Okay, human eye is a very sensitive and valuable sense organ which the nature has provided us to observe light and wonderful world of the color. It has following parts. For eyeball, eye is in the form of small ball. Its diameter is 2.5 centimeter and this eyeball is fitted in eye orbit in the skull. Okay, and eye has many associated organ which mainly protect the eye. These associated organ we will study in this topic, and by cutting eyeball we come to know that it is formed of three different layers. What are three different layers we will study, and we will also study the functions of these three layers. And eyeball is divided into two chambers. What are these two chambers and what is the function of the fluid filled in these chambers? Okay, which are the filled with a clear transparent matter. Okay, this is called aqueous humor and vitreous humor. Okay, let's start. First layer of the eyeball, sclerotic layer. It is the outermost white layer of the eyeball and it surrounds the eye leaving the frontal portion. ये सारा portion जो है स्क्लेरोटिक लेयर होती है और इसका सिर्फ फ्रंटल पोर्शन जो है ये सारी स्क्लेरोटिक लेयर है. ठीक है, ये कौन सी है? स्क्लेरोटिक लेयर. ठीक है, और ये वाली वाइट पोर्शन, इसका जो फंक्शन होता है ये प्रोटेक्ट करती है आई को. क्या करती है? आई की प्रोटेक्शन करती है. पर जब फ्रंटल पोर्शन होता है ना, थोड़ा सा बल्गिंग होता है, बाहर की ओर उभरा हुआ होता है, इसको हम कॉर्निया कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? है ये इस लेयर का ही पार्ट है, स्क्लेरोटिक लेयर का ही पार्ट है, पर क्योंकि फ्रंटल पोर्शन में आके थोड़ा सा उभार में आ जाता है, बल्गिंग हो जाता है, इसको हम कॉर्निया कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट हम चलते हैं पोर्शन सेकंड लेयर, कोराइड. दिस इज ए मिडल लेयर of the eyeball or its color is generally reddish brown. Okay, and it is made of connective tissue and it supplies with a large number of blood vessels. इसका कार्य क्या है, काम क्या है? These bring nutrients to the eye or eyeball. Okay, the frontal part of the choroid is change its color, dark brown or black or green or blue. This changed portion is known as iris. Okay, let's understand with this figure. This second layer, black, okay, reddish brown color layer is known as choroid. Okay, this layer is known as choroid. Okay, and the frontal portion became brown or green or blue or black. This portion change its color. This is a part of choroid layer but change its color. This changed portion is known as iris. Between the iris there is a aperture. This aperture is known as pupil. Okay, through pupil light enter into eye. Okay, next there is an aperture in the center of iris. The function of iris is to control the size of the aperture called pupil. It control the light entering into the eye, and when the light intensity is very high the pupil contract. ठीक है, सिकुड़ जाती है, छोटी हो जाती है. Lens behind the pupil there is a biconvex lens and this lens is held by muscle fibers. These muscle fibers are known as ciliary muscles. Okay, ciliary muscles. These muscles increase or decrease the focal length of the eye lens by contracting or relaxing. The lens divides the eyeball into two chambers. These two chambers contain clear crystalline fluid. These two chambers are known as aqueous. This portion is the aqueous humor, and this portion is vitreous humor. Aqueous humor and vitreous humor both are filled with clear crystalline matter. Okay. Next, retina. Retina is the innermost layer of the eyeball. Is called this is also photosensitive layer, and it has a point on which when light falls sensation is not produced. This point is known as blind spot. Okay, blind spot. The blind spot is a point on a retina where no sensation is produced for light. Above the blind spot there is another point where the maximum sensation is produced. That point is known as yellow spot. Okay. Next, optic nerve. Behind the eyeball, okay, there is a optic nerve. These optic nerves arises from the brain. Okay, the optic nerves, there arises some nerves from the brain which join the hind portion of the eyeball. Okay, or these nerves are known as optic nerves, or these optic nerves form the internal sensitive layer of the eye, which is called retina, or the image of the object is formed on yellow spot of the retina. The image formed is real and inverted. Okay. Next, we study about this. Blind spot is a point where no sensation is produced. Yellow spot is a point where maximum sensation is produced. Eyelids are eyelids जो है वो these provided to control the amount of light falling on the eye, and they also protect the eye from the dust particle. Now we will study the working of the eye. The light fall on the crystalline lens through the cornea and the pupil. Okay, light enter into the eye from the object to the object through the cornea and pupil. The crystalline lens focus the light on the retina screen. There is a large number of sensitive cells in the retina, and these cells get activated when light falls on them. Okay, and generate electrical signals. These electrical signals sent to brain through the optic nerve, or brain interpret these electrical signals as the sense of light, and we will able to see the image of the object. How was this topic? I think you enjoyed this topic. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.